this morning we're getting ready to get started. We're going to go ahead and start tearing out all the drywall and getting some walls tore out. We're going to probably start over in this corner, getting things cleaned up. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time right now talking about what we're doing, but I'll get some more information just as we move along. But anyway, that's what we're going to get ready to start doing. We're going to start tearing out some drywall and tearing out some ceilings, some walls. We'll get you some updates in just a few minutes. All right, well, we got this wall opened up, and you can see right here there's some dangerous wiring. Got everything is concealed in the wall. It's bare wires just twisted together and got some black tape on them. We'll have to get the electrician in here and look at all this. Probably gonna cost a couple $1,000s to get all the electrical done, but in the end it's gonna be worth it. All right, it's the end of the day. It's getting a little dark. As you can see, we've got a lot of the demolition done. This is going to be the new kitchen over here. Bathroom is going to move to the right about 4.5 feet. You can see in here, this is where the master suite's going to go. Back there, it's kind of dark, but you kind of get an idea. We've opened this all up. This is going to be a bedroom on this end. It's going to be a bedroom over there. And back around here, you can see where we've opened it up all the way to the other end, where that little funky closet was at. That's going to be opened up into part of the living room. And over in this area here is going to be another bathroom, so we're going to end up with a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We laid everything out today, and got my floor plan. I'll see if I can get a good picture of the floor plan. There's the floor plan we've got. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what's it's going to end up being, and it's going to be a lot of work, but we're making some good progress. Alright, did the exploratory surgery today. Found out that the floor joists weren't terribly bad. It was just where they were spliced. They'd sagged in the back, so we got the foundation all leveled up. This is where the bathroom was. The floor joists were all rotted out, so we replaced those with new 2x8s. The span is not quite 24 inches on center, but we're going back with what was there. And we're going to double deck the floor, so it's not going to be too big of a problem. And when I get my dumpster emptied this week, I'll have plenty of stuff to fill it back up. Can't take this part out yet because this is the only thing that's supporting the whole back of the roof, and I think that's why the floor was sagging so much here. So as soon as we get this figured out, we're going to have to open this up right here. You can see where this was opened up before. They didn't leave anything in there to support the roof, so we'll end up having to beam across that, open it up, put a header in there, post it. That'll be good. It'll not a problem. You get over here, you see the same thing. You got this beam that's non-existent. It's just kind of hanging. I suspect it's probably just a double 2x4, and everything is sagging. All right, got my dumpster full. Gonna call them in the morning and have them come empty it so we can start fresh and start filling it back up again. Probably got enough to fill it 1/2 to 3/4 again before we get started putting everything back together.